Hello everyone, this is Deepa. Welcome to my kitchen. Today's recipe is eggless chocolate cake with chocolate frosting. So chocolate is everyone's favorite, and when we bake some cake with chocolate flavor, it is absolutely yummy. So I hope chocolate must be your favorite also. So let's begin with having a look at the ingredient list to make this delicious chocolate cake. So first, in a mixing bowl, add in your condensed milk. Using electric whisk, beat it for at least 2 minutes till the condensed milk is bit fluffy. After 2 minutes of beating, I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence. Continue beating it and add in 1/4 cup of melted butter at room temperature. And after 1 minute of beating, I'm going to add 3 tablespoonfuls of melted chocolate. And if you are using a cocoa powder, you have to add it along with your dry ingredients. Since I'm using a melted chocolate to make this chocolate cake, I'm adding it along with my condensed milk. So I have added melted chocolate and beat it for 1 more minute, and then add in around 1/2 cup of hot water, and you could also replace this hot water with Coke or Pepsi. So continue beating for 2 more minutes, and then your condensed milk mixture is ready. To this we have to add in all our dry ingredients. So first place a sieve over it and add around 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And if you are using a cocoa powder, you could add it along with this all-purpose flour and sieve it all together. So now I am sifting all the dry ingredients into the condensed milk mixture. And if you see any lumps in the all-purpose flour, just break down it using a spoon or spatula. And this sifting helps to evenly distribute all the leveling agents into the cake batter so that your cake texture would be really soft and nice. So just mix all the dry ingredients with the condensed milk mixture without any lumps, and you are done with your cake mixture. Now this cake mixture is ready to go into our greased pan. So here is my baking pan greased with butter, and you could also dust some dry flour. So transfer the cake mixture into this baking pan. And just remember to shake and tap it gently. So now this batter is ready to go into our preheated oven. So bake it for 20 minutes till you get a nice aroma of this baked cake. So after 20 minutes of baking, my chocolate cake is ready. It looks so fluffy. And to check it whether it is cooked or not, just insert a knife or toothpick, and if it comes out clean, then your cake is done, or else bake it for some more minutes. So after take it out from the oven, allow it to completely cool down. To make chocolate frosting, you will need 50 ml of condensed milk, 1/4 cup of melted chocolate, and 1 tablespoon of melted butter. Mix all these 3 ingredients well combined, and your chocolate frosting is ready. So pour this over your chocolate cake and using a spatula, shape it up to get a nice and even look. And if you prefer, you could also whip some cream and decorate it over your chocolate cake and enjoy. Or a simple way is just sprinkle some powdered sugar all over the cake and place one strawberry that looks even more nice. So here is my prepared chocolate cake with chocolate frosting, and it looks very yummy. Though we made this cake without egg, this cake was very nice and soft and spongy. So you could look, the texture is looking very nice. So I hope you really enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching my video, and I wish all my viewers and subscribers to have a very happy and prosperous new year. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you soon with another interesting video recipe. Till then, it's me Deepa Suresh signing off from Deep's Kitchen. Bye bye.